Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're out here checking out a newer pool home listing for a client in the beautiful Refuge golf course area. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 3587 North Citation Road inside the gated Refuge golf course neighborhood. Very desirable area in Lake Havasu. This one was just listed about 2 weeks ago, $749,900. Super quiet in here. This is inside of an HOA. It's about $490 a quarter. Nicely landscaped. So everything that's built out here in the Refuge has to meet architectural and design guidelines. So everything's nice. Everything will have a tile roof. Everything's kind of congruent. So you kind of get out of that Havasu hodgepodge that you get inside town. Nice paver walkway, little courtyard entry. So you got a pretty cool little front courtyard, some metal plants and decorations. Little fountain. Looks like there's an 8-foot high entry door. Let's go inside, check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2005. 1,819 square feet. Out at the Refuge golf course. This is your typical open floor plan layout that you see inside here. Tall ceilings, all 8-foot interior doors. So this is a split floor plan, but it's on the same side of the house. So you have the master in the rear and then the guest bedrooms on the same side of the house on the front part of the house. It's pretty typical how they do it out here. Nice little dining area, big tall windows, see the pool area. Can lights, ceiling fans, speakers. So this house can be sold fully furnished. Cannot do vacation rentals inside of the Refuge, but you can do 30-day minimum. So that will cater to the snowbird winter market, which is pretty popular out here. So you have your master off of the living room in the back of the house, has a big slider out to the pool area, tall ceilings in here as well. Integrated sound in the ceiling. Okay, you have a nice big master bath, soaker tub, walk-in shower, of course, skylight, can lights, dual sinks, tiled walk-in shower. Of course, you have your walk-in closet with the skylight. Toilet has its own door. Let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so you have your other 2 bedrooms and guest bath off the entry, same side of the house as the master. You have your little guest bath, tall ceilings. So you have a couple closets, and then the next 2 bedrooms. This would be bedroom number 2. The front of the house off the entry. So yeah, bedroom number 3, also the front of the house. All bedrooms have the tall ceilings and the 8-foot double glass closet doors. There's speakers in all the bedrooms as well. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. All right, so you have your garage door access and indoor laundry off the kitchen and living area. Has a skylight in the laundry room. All right, so you have a 3-car garage. They didn't put the dimensions on this 1-car side, but it's about 22 feet deep. 9-foot doors. There's also a 2-car 40-foot bay with a drive-through door. So this does have epoxy floors and a mini split AC unit, drive-through bay in the rear, and I did get confirmation that is a 20-foot bay on the other side. This is also on natural gas. The Refuge is on natural gas, so you have natural gas water heater, water softener, RO system. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, so you have a nice big oversized covered patio in the backyard, pool area. Has a pretty cool little pool setup. Little wraparound pebble-tec pool, little bar seating. Little hot tub. Got all your pool equipment on the side of the house over here. Pretty good size hot tub. Has little remote controls up here as well. It's kind of like a little piece of a lazy river. It's kind of cool. Little kids splash pool or something. Pretty cool. Little putting green at the end over here. You actually have a really cool lake view off of the back here. Look at that. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Citation. Again, this one was just listed a couple weeks ago for $749,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.